Welcome back to Arxflix. Today, we'll be diving into BART, a novel model for pre-training sequence-to-sequence tasks. The paper is titled BART, Denoising Sequence-to-Sequence Pre-Training for Natural Language Generation, Translation, and Comprehension. BART stands for Bidirectional and Autoregressive Transformers. It's a denoising autoencoder tailored to sequence-to-sequence models. The key idea is to pre-train the model by corrupting text with various noise functions and then learning to reconstruct the original text. BART is built on a standard transformer architecture, generalizing BERT with bidirectional encoding and GPT with left-to-right decoding. This unique combination makes BART highly versatile for different NLP tasks. Here's a comparison of BERT, GPT, and BART. Notice that BART's inputs to the encoder don't need to be aligned with the decoder outputs, enabling it to handle arbitrary noise transformations. For fine-tuning, an uncorrupted document is input to both the encoder and decoder. The core of BART's design is its flexibility in applying noise to the input text. This approach includes randomly shuffling the order of original sentences, using a novel infilling scheme, where spans of text are replaced with a single mask token. Here are the transformations used for noising the input. This flexibility allows BART to generalize well across different NLP tasks. BART excels at fine-tuning for text generation and comprehension tasks. It matches the performance of Roberta on Glue and Squad while setting new records on abstractive dialogue, question answering, and summarization tasks. For example, it achieves a 6 Rouge point improvement on the SHUM dataset and a 1.1 Blue increase in machine translation over a strong backtranslation baseline. Here's how BART is utilized for different tasks. For sequence classification, the input is fed into both the encoder and decoder. For token classification, the full document is processed, and the decoder's top hidden state classifies each word. For sequence generation, the autoregressive decoder helps in summarization and question answering. Let's look at specific applications. In machine translation, a new encoder layer is added to translate foreign languages into noised English. The new encoder can use a separate vocabulary and is trained in 2 steps. Here's a summary of the different pre-training approaches compared. Notice that BART consistently performs well across various tasks, especially when combining text infilling with sentence shuffling. When comparing BART to models like BERT, Unum, and ZNet, BART achieves similar or better results on both discriminative and generative tasks. It outperforms these models in summarization and dialogue generation tasks. Here's an example of how BART improves machine translation performance over baseline transformers. It shows a significant Blue score improvement using monolingual English pre-training. In summary, BART introduces a robust pre-learning strategy via denoising autoencoders. It excels in both generation and comprehension tasks, demonstrating significant advancements over existing models. Future research should explore more customized noise functions to further improve task-specific performance. We hope you enjoyed this dive into BART. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth research summaries on Arxflix. See you in the next video. Thanks a lot to Element for supporting Arxflix and providing this wonderful voice.